Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Anuja and I'm back with a new video. So as you can see, we are in the kitchen today, so that means we are going to be doing something special for this Sunday cooking series. And what we're going to do is we are going to make these instant Korean noodles. These are supposed to be very spicy, as you can see. 2x spicy. Oh my god, these are going to be very spicy. So we're going to show you how to make it, and then we are going to take a challenge where
we'll try to finish them in under a minute without any water or milk to balance out the heat.
So yeah, let's see. Rest in peace our stomachs. So we are going to take on this challenge, and obviously let's see what happens. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now in this boiling water we are supposed to put the noodles and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So we are doing this separately so that we get equal amount of noodles. So the noodles are not ready. We have to put this sauce. This is the main thing, guys. This is the sauce. It is gonna make it more spicy. And these are some flakes, which I'm not sure what it is. I'll let you know. But this is the sauce, and this is what we're gonna put now. Oh my god.
This looks spicy. This looks very spicy. Seaweed placed
I think so. This is, I think there's sesame seeds
Sesame seeds
and seaweed. So I'm not sure if that's spicy or not, but. And we are gonna put some uncooked
noodles.
Yeah. Raw noodles. Add a little bit of crunch.
Make it that way.
Chalo. So if you are wondering where to get these noodles from, then you can check out koricart.com. They have a lot of different Korean products as well, right from skincare, makeup, everything, and even food as well. So definitely check it out. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below. And now let's get started with this challenge. So we are going to use a stopwatch for this, and this whole minute is going to be unedited. Real 1 minute footage is coming up. So 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Damn spicy. Oh.
as you can see, our 1 minute is up, but we haven't finished this. It's super spicy. Oh my god. Like if you have that tolerance, spice tolerance level, then go for it.
Because we don't have it.
We don't have it for sure. Oh my god.
Now this is spicy as hell.
Yeah, it's super. It is super tasty, but oh my god, the spice level is to another level. I can't. I think we are gonna put some cheese or something. We are gonna just DIY it and lower the spice level if we can.
And we'll try to finish it.
Let's try to do that and finish it. We don't wanna waste this for sure. Oh my god.
1 hour later.
So finally done with it. We just put some butter and cheese to make it less spicy. So if you wanna do that, you can try that as well. But we are gonna challenge you guys to take this challenge and see how it goes. So if you wanna do that, again you can order these noodles from Koricart and then you can make a video or send us your photos, something like that. We leave all the links in the description box below. So yeah, I think that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh my god, I hope you enjoyed or just die. So yeah, if you liked it, then give this video a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, then you can thumbs it down as well. And yeah, comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye.